Namaskar. In this video, I will discuss about the FMB service department. FMB service department is also one of the important department where that FMB service means food and beverage service department. Food and beverage service means it's a department where generally they are providing the food, various types of food, various authentic food, and the beverage means it's maybe alcoholic beverage or non-alcoholic beverage. All those things they are only servicing. This is the FMB department, and this department only responsible for the various types of the liquor or soft drinks and various types of food providing to the guest by the paid or money. This is the FMB department. In FMB department, there are so many outlet is there, and so many outlet means there are various types of the restaurant is there, then banquet hall or conference hall, then bar and the IRD department. What is the restaurant? Restaurant is a place where the people can get their food, and in their restaurant there are generally specialist restaurant, the specialty restaurant, suppose Chinese restaurant, then various types of multi-cuisine restaurant and Indian restaurant, South Indian restaurant, like that the restaurants are there. In the restaurant, one more thing is there, the coffee shop also there. And coffee shop means what is coffee shop? Coffee shop is it's a one kind of restaurant, but it's restaurant always open. It's a 24 into 7, 24 hours open. But the restaurant for the particular time, so for the various types, we can say that. Lunch, breakfast, dinner, supper, high tea. These all things have the various types. The particular time for the open, and the restaurant they can get the buffet. Then we can come to the banquet hall, or it's a outlet where basically the so many people can gathering, but so many people can took their food. It's generally used for the various types of conference, marriage function, anniversary, birthday function, birthday celebration. For these things, various types of big company conference, all those things is there for the conference basically provided. And there are basically in the conference the food 80% time the buffet system should be there. It's maybe self-service, or sometimes the FMB guy also providing. These all things is there. Then we come to the bar. What is the bar? Bar is an outlet where the basically alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks are provided, and some discotheques or the light music or the various types of lighting. All those things are there. This is the bar, and then we can come to the one more. The session is there in the FMB service. FMB service, that is that IRD department. What is IRD? In-room dining. In-room dining means it's a department where they are providing the food basically in the guest room. They can serve the food in the guest room by the extra pay. Extra pay. That is the room division. We can say that IRD room service. This is the basic things is there in the FMB department. In if we will come to the deep in the FMB department, so many terminology is there. One by one, when I will discuss the terminology, I will tell all those things. The basic concept is this. This is the FMB service. Then we will come to the hierarchy chart of the or responsibility of the FMB service department on food and beverage service department. In the food and beverage service department, the topmost HOD is FMB director. Or basically FMB director nowadays is not there. FMB manager. FMB manager is he is the whole responsible of the FMB department, and he is the HOD. Under the FMB manager, the assistant FMB manager is there. Assistant FMB manager, it's act like FMB manager. He is the taking care of the responsibility, the inventory, and then staff training, the planning, all those things. And he is the talking sometime about the conference guest is coming, and all those things he is taking care. Assistant FMB manager. Assistant FMB manager. Under that, so many outlet managers are there. First of all, we can come to the restaurant manager. Restaurant manager is a particular restaurant area manager. Suppose specialty restaurant manager, Indian restaurant manager, Chinese restaurant manager, all the outlet having one manager. Then we can come to the banquet hall also banquet manager. That more, all the banquets name also there. One banquet manager is there. Then under them and equally we can come to the bar. Bar is that they are generally one manager there. He is the bar manager, and he is the responsible of the bar. He is always taking care of the staff, duty roster making, train them, and he has the or she has the basically full knowledge of the liquor. And then we can come to the IRD session also. IRD manager is there. He is the responsible for the IRD food. He's under the IRD captain, IRD staff, all those things there. And the whole manager having their downstairs one more executive is there. Executive, that FMB executive, and they are also taking care of the training, and they are also sometimes helping for the peak season for peak time, and they are making the duty roster, all those things. And under that having the captain is that he's taking care of all those things, means the providing the food. Sometime he is the very knowledgeable, and he is the trained the GSA or the FMB GSA, and he is talking with the guest, and he is the making the relationship with the guest, all those things, and they are doing. And then under that GSA, or we can say that FMB guy all are there. They are mainly serving the food and clearing the plates, or cleaning the table, all those things is, and is talking with the guest, and taking the feedback from the guest, all those things is doing. And one more thing is they are in FMB department. Basically the ladies is there. The ladies are in this department. In the associate level, they are hostess, means we can say that restaurant hostess or FMB hostess. What they are doing, they are just helping to the guest for the sitting and the welcoming. They are giving the welcome drink, the talking, and they are sometimes they taking care of the baby, which guest having the baby. These all things they are doing. This is the basic knowledge for the FMB service department, and it's a very good department where the people can basically, you can tell that can come and join, because they are getting the tip, all those things. Because if you are giving the service very goodly, the guest will make the relationship with you very good, and for that they are giving some extra money on. Sometimes they are putting the comments card, all those things is there. That's why we can tell it's also very good opportunity option for the hotelier. This all things is there. This is the good things we can tell, and this basic knowledge for the FMB service. Thanks for that, and if any required, you can message me. I will discuss more than later. This is the basic knowledge. Thank you.